Welcome back, everybody. It has been a very long time since I've been back here on the porch filming. In fact, all the Let's Give It a Try episodes that you've seen over the last month and a half were filmed way back in, January and February. So we've been having a blast on the Griddlemore tour. We were in Southern California, we were in Arizona, we were in Texas, we were in Arkansas, and now we have a 2-week break, and there's so much planning, so many things that go on with the tour, but it's amazing. We're just having a blast this year, but I wanted to bring something to you real quick. We'll see if I can do this in one take. We'll try. So Blackstone has a bunch of new accessories, and I don't even have them all. In fact, if you follow the Coast to Coast Griddlers, shout out to the Coast to Coast Griddlers online on Facebook and all that, you'll see that they've got a lot of them that they're showing off. And I've got a few of them here today. So you've seen the Coast to Coast Griddlers showing this off here. This is Blackstone's Magnetic Griddle Accessory bin. Come over here. Let me grab this light here. Kind of show you what it looks like here. And it's magnetic. It works very well. Little magnets on the back. It fits right on your side shelf, and it's about enough sized, big enough to hold 3 spices or a couple oil bottles, whatever you want. Very nice though. It's got a kind of a new style, little, I guess you'd call it racing stripes, and it can go on any Blackstone side shelf. So you can see we've got the 22-inch Pro here from last year's Black Friday deal, and this is a what is this one? This is a 28-inch Pro. You can see it would fit on the side shelf, any Blackstone side shelf. So that's the brand new Magnetic Griddle Accessory bin. So let me see if I can line my lights up back over here. And alrighty, am I still in focus, Hannah? We're out here kind of in the dark. Are we good? Mm-hmm. Sweet. Walmart.com. The other one that I've seen the Coast to Coast Griddler showing off is the Collapsible Adventure Ready Griddle Press. Whoa. Very cool. So, Blackstone did come out with, I think 2 years ago or so, they did come out with a line of Collapsible Adventure Ready Spatulas, okay? And you saw me show them to you once when I received them, and that was it. I didn't use them. Let's leave it at that. They weren't for me. I didn't care for the design. But the Collapsible Griddle Press, baby, this is really nice. So think of this in terms of something that you can put in with your, your Adventure Ready 28, your 22, your 17, and take this thing on the road with you. So that's the one thing in the past, if you wanted to take a bacon press, a griddle press, when you're out with a 17-inch, well, then you got to bring, a giant griddle press that weighs like a quarter, okay, maybe like an eighth the amount of a 17-inch griddle, but not with this. So it's stainless steel, and you can see it's got a real thick gauge, and it's collapsible. So very cool. So you could definitely use that to keep bacon flat or to press down on a panini sandwich. It is not chintzy, folks. I'm showing you these because I really like them. That's the brand new design right there. Check it out in all of its beauty. I'm going to look at some of the selling points here to see if there's anything else I need to tell you. So yeah, silicone grips, so obviously you'll be able to grab those when they're hot. Folks, they say dishwasher safe. I would never ever put any of this stuff in my dishwasher. Hand wash only. But for those of you that need to know, they are dishwasher safe. But the brand new Adventure Ready Collapsible Griddle Press, I believe, is a winner. And I alluded to the spatulas earlier. The other thing that's brand new is Blackstone's 3-piece cooking set. Now, you can go back into my archives. There was a video probably at least a good 2 years ago, maybe more, where Blackstone released a little spatula and tong collapsible set for Adventure Ready. After I tried them out and used them a few times, I just was never able to use them again. I didn't like them. Blackstone went back to the drawing board, and boy, am I glad they did. So this is one piece, okay? And why don't you focus in on those for a second, Hannah? Let me grab one of the old spatulas, or grab one of the full-size spatulas, rather. Okay, so this is a full-size Signature Series spatula from Walmart. So you can see what we're getting at here, okay? So it's significantly smaller, so that's pretty cool. Again, you're hauling around a 17-inch griddle for camping, fishing, hunting, whatever. Having a spatula that's so darn big just can become cumbersome. So enter the brand new Adventure Ready set right here. Really nice and really light too. Boy, I'm gonna say, you know, maybe a quarter the weight of this. So it is still steel. It's that spring steel, and it's one piece. It doesn't collapse, okay? So the good thing about these is they're not gonna bend. That lock isn't gonna break. There is no lock, okay? But they're super duper light. Now, if I went to flip one of these with my hand, yikes, you can do it, but you can also chop off your hand. These things here are just mega light, and so you can flip these things around all you want to, and they are super strong. And the same things with the tongs. They don't bend like that old set, and they even do have a lock on here that I tested quite a bit. I used these all this afternoon cooking up our dinner, and perfect. So very impressed. I'm certainly going to be using all of these. These are not novelty items. I've been staring at a few of these things for a while online and kind of taking it all in. I was concerned about the griddle press. You know, would it be yes, it is. It's quite substantial, as you can see. It is steel, and everything holds together really nice with that. And I really am blown away with the new spatulas. Again, these are designed for the Adventure Ready line. That doesn't mean that I can't use these back here with the Pro Series. In fact, you might see me using them a lot. They are, you know, a little less wide than the other one because they are Adventure Ready. And also right there, the Magnetic Griddle Accessory bin. I think of that the same way as I think of the spatula mat that I use all the time. It's just another nice thing that you can use to help keep your shelves uncluttered. You know, for me, the silicone spatula mat is just a no-brainer because I don't want to get grease or scratch up my side shelf. And the same thing goes with the Magnetic Accessory bin, because it's just another way to organize and keep things clean on my griddle top. So hopefully that helps you out, and hopefully you guys and girls want to go out and check out some of those. If you have any specific questions, go ahead and hit me up with those. Griddle More Tour. So we're enjoying a break right now. We start up next week, and again, we are going back on tour, and we will be in Florida. So the dates are going to be, let's go in here to the list. We are going April the 7th. So April 7th, we're coming back. We're going to be April 7th on a Thursday in, I don't know how to say this, Cantonment, Florida, at an Ace. So first time ever at an Ace in Florida. We can't wait. And then that Saturday, April 8th, we're going to be Pensacola, Florida, Walmart Supercenter on Creighton Road. And then that's a Friday. Saturday the 9th, we're going to be at Walmart Supercenter, Milton, Florida. And then Sunday, Walmart Supercenter, April 10th, Crestview, Florida. And then we go on to Cumming, Noonan, and Carrollton, Georgia. So Griddle More Tour, it's amazing. The crowds are getting bigger and bigger. Make sure you come out and check us out. You do not need a ticket. There's still been mega confusion about that. No ticket needed. That people that do possess a VIP ticket, that's for the VIP hat, which is so sweet this year. So if you do have that and you're blessed or you're lucky enough to get one of our free hats, the first 20 people do it, but otherwise come on out. We've been having a blast. So that's it, folks. I'm going to try to come back and start hitting with more content here as much as I can. Thanks for your patience. Give me likes, give me, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment. Please help me get up to that 100,000 subscriber mark, because it's very exciting. We went over 100,000 subscribers on Blackstone's YouTube a long time ago. We're like at 145,000. But here, I don't do much. So please help me get up there. And we'll see you on the road. I can't wait. Until next time. Hey, look, I'm outside in the evening in a t-shirt in Colorado. Until next time, praise the Lord, pass the food.